Hey, welcome to Design Guy. I'll show you step by step how to design an eye-catching restaurant menu video. Click the Create button, then select Videos from the options. Choose the landscape video format for your project. Next, locate the text box and enter your desired title or description to proceed with your video creation. Type your content in the template field and press Enter. Afterward, test the template by selecting it from the list. Confirm that the template loads correctly and functions as expected. Repeat this process to ensure reliability before using the template for your intended workflow or sharing with others. Click the play button below the animation window to start watching the animation. Use the controls to pause, rewind, or adjust the playback speed as needed. Next, select these elements by clicking on them. This allows you to make changes, move them, or apply actions as needed in your project or document. Click and drag your cursor over the workspace to select all elements at once. Let's edit this animation by selecting it, adjusting the settings, and previewing the updated animation effect. After selecting all elements, trim the duration using the timeline controls. Adjust the total length to 0.8 seconds. This will make your sequence shorter and ensure it fits within the desired time frame. Click the play button to start the video. Observe how the video loads and begins to play immediately. Make sure the playback controls appear at the bottom of the player. Verify that the audio and video quality meet your expectations throughout the duration of playback. Next, add a new page by clicking the plus icon, then change its background color to black for consistency. You can edit this text by clicking directly inside the text field. Place your cursor where you want to make changes, then type to update the content. After editing, your changes will be saved automatically, so there's no need to click a separate save button or menu. Select the text you want to copy. Right-click on the highlighted text and choose Copy from the context menu. The text is now saved to your clipboard for pasting elsewhere. Change the background again by selecting the option labeled Strategy Structure in Settings. Open the Move menu to access animation options. In this section, we will add an animation to your selected object, enhancing your project with smooth motion effects and visual interest. Click the Animate button to open animation options, then select Release Baseline to apply the animation effect to your element. Decrease the speed by moving the slider left. Next, click Add Element to insert new items onto your timeline or canvas as needed. Type Food into the search bar, then look for and select the Graphics category to see all available food-related graphic images and icons. Click the Add Text button in the menu. A text box will appear on your screen. Type your desired message into the box and adjust the font and size as needed. To send your document using the first method, start by opening the file you want to share. Locate the toolbar at the top and click on the Share button. In the sharing window that opens, enter the email addresses of the people you want to send it to. Set their access permissions, then click Send. Your document will be delivered to their inboxes instantly. Copy the provided text. Next, open your code editor and navigate to the JavaScript console. Paste the text into the console. Press Enter to run the code. Now, open the user guide by clicking the Guide option in the main navigation. To access additional features or settings, locate and open the menu icon, usually found in the top right corner of the guide interface. In the same tab, you can add a transition screen just like you did with the previous two tabs. Click on the option to insert a new transition. Now go to the other tab. Here, let's use the baseline transition for consistency. Select the baseline transition from the list of available options. Once selected, preview the transition to ensure it looks the way you want. If it fits your design, confirm your selection. You can repeat this process for any additional tabs if needed. This will help maintain a smooth and cohesive user experience throughout your application. Be sure to save your changes after adding and customizing your transitions. By following these steps, you'll create seamless transitions between all your app's tabs. On the next slide, locate the image of the blackboard. Click once to select this blackboard image. With the image selected, look for the Animate button, usually found in the top menu or the sidebar. Click the Animate button to open the Animation Options panel. Browse through the available animation effects, then choose your desired entrance animation such as fade in or appear. Click on the animation effect to apply it to the blackboard image. After selecting the effect, adjust the animation settings if needed, like duration or direction, to fit your presentation. You can preview the animation by clicking the Player Preview button. Once satisfied, the blackboard image will animate as the slide starts or when you enter the slide during. Click Finish to complete the previous step. Next, let's align the elements on the screen. Select the elements you want to align, then use the alignment tools in the toolbar to adjust their positions. Move the elements down as needed to create even spacing and a clean layout. Once everything is aligned, preview your changes to ensure everything looks correct. Now let's test the animation. Click the play button or select Preview Animation to see how the effects play out. Watch carefully to make sure the animation runs smoothly and all elements are properly synchronized. If needed, go back and adjust their positions or animation settings until you're satisfied with the result. Continue refining as necessary. After completing your animation, drag the preview window downward to reveal more of the workspace. This allows you to clearly see the movement and direction of your animation. Adjust the panel until you have a full view of the animation path. This way you can ensure every element is moving as intended. Use the handles to resize or reposition the workspace as needed. Checking the direction at this stage helps catch any issues before finalizing. Make any necessary adjustments to the animation path so it flows smoothly. Watching the animation from this broader perspective ensures everything aligns with your creative vision for the final output. Write your location, then click the Share button. After sharing, you'll see the option to download your place file directly to your device for later use. Review the video quality in the preview window to ensure it meets your standards before downloading. Now you know how to make a stunning restaurant menu video using Canva. Like and subscribe for more creative tips.